Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Samsung Frp Bypass. If you have recently purchased a Samsung device or reset your phone, are stuck at the Google verification screen, don't worry, we have got you covered. We will walk you through step-by-step methods to easily bypass FRP, ensuring you can access your device without hassle. Let's get started. Friends, this video is special for Samsung A71 model. But this method is working all the Samsung phone. First of all, you can see my verify your account page, and there is a no skip option. But without I enter my Gmail ID, how to can bypass this page? So let's start a tutorial. First of all, you go to that language section and change to English US, and now go to emergency call and write the code *08 *0 *08 and # and now call that. After calling that, now click start button, agree, set up manually and wait few seconds. Friends, please connect the Wi-Fi network. Without Wi-Fi network, this process is not running. Go to add network, go to setting icons, change reset to default setting and delete all the things. Now go to this erase and clear cache. After that, now go to this, there is a text shortcut option. Click to plus and now write the www.google.com. Now write another USD code *#06#, and now click this add option. Friends, after clicking add option, now go back and now I write that Samsung FRP Bypass. Samsung password is FRP Bypass. Now go to this view more option, change to IP setting DHCP statics, and now go to this 8.8 is IP address of Google. Now change to 8.8.4.4 and now go to this proxy and now go to this manual option and now write the www.google.com. Now you can see that, and the proxy port is 8080. Now you can write the localhost to www.youtube.com. Now go to this save option. After completing save option, now click back and open your emergency call. Now friend, *06#, and you can see that there is a IME1 number, serial number. Now click OK and wait few seconds. Friends, after completing that, now go to this again *#0 and you can go to this loop back section and start RCB first Mac. Now go to start RCB second Mac. And now go to the stop option and back. Now go to red section and wait 5 seconds. This is the testing menu of the Samsung phone. Now click that, and friends, now click this black option. After that, completing this process, now click back and back. Now friend, go to this, open your Motorola phone, if you use any phone. Now first of all, you download this app, Samsung Smart Switch by Play Store. It is easily available on Play Store. Now go back option and now start agree and set up manually. And now you, after 10 second waiting, you can get a message to set up. So click on this setup. Please make sure both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. Then this method is working on your phone. Now click to setup option. Now scan this QR code on your Galaxy. Verify it's you to unlock this phone. Getting account information. Wait few seconds friends. Keep both devices on and close to each other until setup is complete. Now copy data from your Android device to click don't copy friends Google service. Wait for now you can see that friend there is a email ID is added on my phone. So how is this possible without entering my Gmail ID and password? Because when I transferred the data Motorola to Samsung, account is also transferred from one device to another device. So my Motorola Gmail ID is transferred to my Samsung phone. Now click more and click accept. Now skip and skip anyway. Now click more and I agree. Now click no thanks and turn off, and now friend click skip. Click OK. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video you cannot do this process safely and effectively. Now forget password or don't have an account, set up later in settings. Skip. Now click agree button. Now click next button. Please wait friends. Get recommended apps. Now click next option. You are all set up. Click on this finish. Okay, now experience Samsung service. Now click agree option. Choose your language or click next option. Now click continue and skip. Now amazing app, continue and finish. Now you can see that we are successfully bypass FRP on my Samsung A71 phone. So if any case your phone is not unlocked, please comment with your model number. Thank you for watching friends.